Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We all use Google every single day, right? But what if I told you that you're only scratching the surface of what it can do? Beyond the simple search bar lies a whole world of hidden features, fun games, and powerful tools that can make your life so much easier and a lot more entertaining. So, if you're ready to level up your Google game, stick around, because today we're diving deep into the lesser-known Google tips and tricks you wish you knew sooner. Let's start with something fun. Did you know Google is packed with classic games you can play right in your browser? No downloads, no installations. Just type Pac-Man into the search bar and hit enter. Boom! The iconic arcade game appears, ready to play. You can chomp down on pellets and chase ghosts right on the search results page. And it's not just Pac-Man. Try searching for Snake Game, Solitaire, or even Tic-Tac-Toe. It's perfect for a quick break or when you're feeling a bit nostalgic. Beyond games, Google loves to hide what we call Easter eggs, little surprises for curious users. For example, go to Google and type, "Do a barrel roll." Watch your screen spin, or try searching for Ask You and you'll see the whole page tilt slightly. Another one of my favorites is the Google in 1998 search, which takes you back in time to see what the search engine looked like in its early days. These little quirks show the fun, playful side of the developers and are always a delight to discover. Now, let's get into some seriously useful tips that will make you a search ninja. We all know how to do a basic search, but Google has powerful commands called search operators that can filter your results with incredible precision. For instance, if you want to find an exact phrase, just put it in quotation marks. Searching for the best chocolate chip cookie recipe will give you pages that contain that exact sequence of words. This is a game changer when you're looking for specific information. Want to search within a specific website? Just use the cite operator. Let's say you want to find articles about AI but only on the BBC's website. You would type aisite.bbc.com. Instantly, Google will only show you results from that domain. This is incredibly handy for research or finding something you remember reading on a particular site. Similarly, you can exclude words from your search using a minus sign. If you're searching for Jaguar but want to see results about the animal, not the car, you can search Jaguar car. It's simple, but it saves so much time. Here's another one for all the students and researchers out there. If you're looking for a specific type of file, like a PDF or a PowerPoint presentation, you can use the file type operator. For example, marketing plan file type. PDF will show you a list of marketing plans available as PDF documents. It's an incredibly efficient way to find reports, presentations, and official documents without digging through endless web pages. But wait, there's more. Google isn't just a search engine, it's a multi-tool. Need a timer? Just type, "Set a timer for 5 minutes," and it will start a countdown right on the page. Can't decide who pays for lunch? Type, "Flip a coin," or "Roll a die." Google can also function as a calculator for everything from simple addition to complex equations. You can even use it for conversions. Type 10 USD to or 5 miles to kilometers, and you'll get the answer instantly. So there you have it. From hidden arcade games and fun Easter eggs to powerful search commands that turn you into a research pro, Google is so much more than meets the eye. I hope these tips help you navigate the digital world a little more efficiently and with a bit more fun. Which of these tricks was your favorite? Or do you have a hidden Google feature that I missed? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. It really helps the channel out. We'll see you in the next one.